right, y'all see this look that we're going for today? Hold on, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Okay, sis? All right, let's get into it. All right, as y'all see, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in Soft Tan. And then I'm going to go in with this palette, 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. And I'm just taking this reddish purple shade. And I'm just using that as my first eyeshadow color. And I'm just packing it on. And I'm going to blend it out at the same time.
Run around, throwing that dirt all on that dirt, all on that dirt, all on my name. Throwing that dirt all on that dirt, all on that dirt, all on my name. Throwing that dirt all on that dirt, all on that dirt, all on my name. Throwing that dirt all on that dirt, all on that dirt, all on my name.
Next, I'm going in with this darker purple shade, more like a plum or whatever. And I'm taking that as my second eyeshadow color, and I'm just packing that on so I can make it more pigmented. And then I'm just going to blend it into that first color shade of eyeshadow. Hey sis, did you subscribe yet? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Want attention, you just 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 want attention.
All right, the next palette I'm using is Morphe and James Charles mini palette, and I'm taking this this little white, well, it's not like a white, it's like a champagne type of color. And first I'm just gonna I'm just gonna line my eyes with this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous liner, and it's a liquid liner, and it's the color Black is Black. And I'm just lining my eyes and doing a wing liner. Y'all, I'm not the best, but I just do what I can with this liner. I usually do it off camera, but I wanted to show y'all what I do with this particular eyeliner. And then I'm going in with a small liner brush, and I'm just taking this gold color. I'm just taking this gold color and I'm using it as like a liner because I don't have glitter liner, but I'm just making it do what it do with what I have. So yeah, I'm just taking this liner and I'm just lining the top of the eyeliner that I already have on. And then I just go back in and clean it up a little bit with the liquid eyeliner just to get it how I want it. And then I'm using this just like a highlighter shade and putting it in the inner corner and putting it on my brow bone. Yeah, I'm putting it on my brow bone. So I'm going in with this Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and it's medium to dark. And I'm just using this to contour my face. And I didn't show y'all my whole makeup routine because I always do it in all the videos. But if y'all like to see me do my makeup, you know, because that's the whole point of the video, I just wanted to focus more on the eyeshadow. But yeah, if y'all want to keep seeing me, you know, do my whole face, then I will keep doing that, girl. Okay? So yeah, I'm just using this to contour. And we're going to move on to the next step, which is contouring my nose, girl. You got to contour that nose, okay? Don't be contouring it too much, though. Just contour it enough to where it's snatched, okay? Okay. So now I'm going in with this True Match by L'Oreal. It's a face powder, and it's in N7, I believe. Neutral 7, something like that. Oh, Classic Tan, I'm sorry. I'm just using that all over my face. And then the actual blush that I'm using, I always use this blush. It is the Saharan Blush Volume 1 by Juvias Place, and I use Nail. I just like this color because it really complements my skin tone. I try not to go overboard because it is very pigmented. Okay, so I'm setting my face with this Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then I'm just going to go in with this NYX lip liner in brown. And y'all gonna see me do that. And then I'm going in with this MAC satin lipstick in the color Snob. I'll make sure I leave everything in the description box if y'all don't catch it. And then I'm going in with a gloss. It's by Maybelline. It's the Lifter Gloss in the color Ice. And this is the finished look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little eyeshadow tutorial, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.